Hello, this is Paul again, and this is the second section of Lesson 2, and we're going to be getting right into it right away. As you know, this is my desktop on one of my computers, and I have quite a few programs. Take notice that I have quite a few icons that displays various programs that I have there. Take notice I also have listed on here folders that will give me quick access to the ones that I use a lot. For example, over here I have a shortcut to my shared data, but specifically we do have a shortcut to go to the computer class and the open office class that I teach as well. So with this in mind, we're going to see how we can set up this desktop and get more use out of it. As we get into the program, we will want to right click on the in a blank area where none of these icons are located to be able to access it. Now keep in mind, when you right click on your mouse, it'll bring up a menu. That is the specific purpose of a right clicking on your mouse. And what happens, this menu will come up when you click on a blank area. It has several features on there that we will discuss. And one thing we're looking at right now is the arrow is pointing to a new what? Well, we're going to possibly make a new folder on the desktop or a shortcut. And my list here is not going to be on your list unless you have similar programs installed on your computer. In other words, you will have OpenOffice on your computer, so you can create a new drawing program, a presentation, a text sheet, or a text document, which will work with Writer. When you create a desktop document like that, it will be empty. But when you double click on that icon, it'll open with the proper program and be able to add content to it right away. We'd like to direct our attention to shortcuts, and the shortcut will give you a quick access to a folder or a document that you are using all the time. You might be working on a specific project that you want easy access to, and by making shortcuts you will be able to be into your document, be working very quickly. You don't have to go through the necessary steps. Take notice on the bottom of this list, there will be on your computer a compressed zip folder. The discussion we had on this was for a better understanding of what that means. Well, what happens is documents are stored in a special way for each program on your computer. They're various sizes. However, when it comes to transmitting them over the web, there are two reasons to have this compressed folder. One, it will make faster transition with a smaller document than it is for a larger one. When you compress a document on a compressed folder, you'll be able to transmit it across with that small footprint, and on the other side they will be able to open that document to its natural state. So this was a program that used to be a third party or a separate program to do, but now it is included with Windows. Well, this is the end of this part, and we're going to be talking about properties on the desktop and be able to get our computer to look more like you want it to look. As you already noticed, my desktop had a picture on it that was not traditional to how Windows is installed on your computer, and we're going to learn more about that.